Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Shankar. Friends, in the ethics class, previously I told you regarding the fly-in and fly-out policy adopted by or approved by the Bar Council of India for the foreign law firms. You all know, according to Balaji versus State of Tamil Nadu, Balaji versus Union of India, it was clearly held that the foreign law firms, foreign attorneys, they cannot set up practice in India. They can advise by fly-in and fly-out policy. In this connection, Honorable Bar Council of India, they have given certain guidelines regarding the foreign lawyers and foreign law firms to engage in non-litigious practice in India. Non-litigation, that is drafting the pleadings or preparing the plaint or preparing the text like that. They cannot come to the court and they cannot argue. Bar Council framed certain rules, and the aim of the rules, because interpretation students, please learn this. The aim of the rules is to safeguard the interest of Indian lawyers. Yes, while dealing with Section 6 and Section 7 of the Advocates Act, I told you that the Bar Council is there to protect the rights and interests of the advocates, to safeguard the interest of Indian lawyers, while regulating the foreign law, while regulating the practice of foreign law and the international law in India. Because law will be different from country to country. Suppose if A is being tried in London, in UK for an offence, then the procedure will be according to the United Kingdom, not according to India. So a lawyer of London should follow the procedure. He should appear. Suppose for a London firm, if they wanted to appear on behalf of Indian, some litigation in India, then they have to follow the Indian legal procedure. So therefore, the concerned lawyer should be there. The amendment allows foreign lawyers, please remember, to operate in defined areas of practice, certain areas only. A&T. First is, it should be limited to non-litigation practice. Non-litigation means he should not attend the court. Mari, why their services are necessary? Their services are necessary while dealing with the foreign law. If you are not thorough with the law, the person who is conversant to the foreign law, he will come and guide you. Second, international law. You all know these procedures, international law. The jurisdiction, other things. Harish K. Salve sir once said that while defending that Kulbhushan Jadhav case, Kulbhushan Jadhav case, in the International Court of Justice, you have to see that number is assigned. You have to prepare the material. You have to produce the same before the registry. Otherwise, however great lawyer, however great country it is, they don't take up. The procedures are different. So international law, if you want to follow the procedure, then definitely the lawyer of International Court of Justice is necessary. Then arbitration law. Nowadays, it has been gaining higher momentum, very much importance. Arbitration, commercial arbitration, international commercial arbitration. The Singapore court, very recently they have given a ruling in the case of Kishore Biyani, that is Big Bazaar versus Amazon, Big Bazaar versus the so-called Mukesh Ambani, like that. So for these cases, definitely the advice and aid and advice of the foreign lawyers is 100% necessary. Likewise, please remember, while dealing with Section 47 of the Advocates Act also, I told you that The section 47 allows the entry of foreign lawyers on reciprocal basis. ఇస్తేనమ్మా వాయనం, తీసుకుంటున్నమ్మా వాయనం అని చెప్పాను. రెసిప్రోసిటీ, మీరు ఇస్తే మేము ఇస్తాం. దట్ మీన్స్ అవర్ లాయర్స్ ఆల్సో షుడ్ గెట్ ద సేమ్ ప్రయారిటీ. ఇండియన్ లాయర్స్ షల్ ఎంజాయ్ సిమిలర్ ప్రివిలేజెస్ ఇన్ అదర్ కంట్రీస్. ఆ దేశం వాళ్ళు మన దేశానికి ఇస్తారు, మన దేశాన్ని ఆ దేశం వాళ్ళు అలాగే ట్రీట్మెంట్ చేయాలి. రైట్? దెన్ just like foreign firms, Indian law firms can also register in other countries, of course, to expand their foreign practice. Harish case always, sir, he always says, of course, he is based in London. ఆయన అక్కడ ఉంటారు కాబట్టి చేయమంటారు. బట్ ఎనీవే, అది కూడా ఎందుకంటే ఫారిన్ లా ఇవన్నీ తెలియాల్సిన పరిస్థితి వచ్చింది. బికాజ్ వరల్డ్ హ్యాస్ బికమ్ ఎ గ్లోబల్ విలేజ్. రైట్. నౌ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రూల్ ఈజ్ రూల్ 2, subclass 5, subrule 5 and 3, sub B. Creation of Indian foreign law firm. So just like IMFL, Indian made foreign liquor laga. Creation of Indian foreign law firm. So that means Indian company can register in non-litigious matters in foreign countries. This is allowed. Second point, rule 8. Scope of permitting the practice. Please remember, to the foreign lawyers, ఎలాగా వీళ్ళు ఏం చేయాలి? ఫారిన్ లాయర్స్ ఇండియాకు చేంజ్ చేయాలి. నెంబర్ 1, దే కెన్ అడ్వైజ్ ద లోకల్ లాయర్స్ ఆన్ ఫారిన్ లా, ఇంటర్నేషనల్ లా అండ్ లా ఆఫ్ ద కంట్రీ. లా ఆఫ్ ద కంట్రీ కొన్ని చోట్ల అక్కడ చేస్తే తప్పు కాదు. సో అట్లా అది కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. దెన్ ఆల్రెడీ I told you the fly in and fly out, this is on temporary basis. They should not establish any permanent office. This was already decided by Balaji versus Union of India. So, why all these things is, Bar Council is also recognizing that India is becoming international arbitration hub. So, definitely, international legal consultancy is 100% necessary. So, therefore, this will be much more useful. That is the intention of the Bar Council of India. Interpretation. Already I told you, before reading the interpretation, you have to understand the mind of the framers of the law. Of course, this is not law. These are only rules framed by the Bar Council. Let us see what will happen. Thank you.